Mistakes. We've all made them. But you know those mind-blowing mistakes that you could have avoided if you had the right tools? You know, the ones that creep up in your mind and you think, wow, if only I could go back and do that differently. Hey ZIKERS, Ela here from Zeke, and in this video I will share with you 5 tips on how to avoid mistakes when it comes to selling on eBay. Okay, jumping right into it because there is no time to waste. Tip number 1, importance of seeing the sell-through rate and success rate and not just profit and selling price. When you look for a product to sell, you want to make sure it will actually sell and not just sit in your store and get no traffic. Sellers' biggest mistake is to look at the selling price and profit margin only, while they believe they can make a profit from a product that does not really have demand. So make sure to analyze product demand and competition, and only if the sell-through rate is high and the success rate is high, then make sure to list it for a competitive price that will allow you to make a profit. If only there were a software that could do that for me, that could show me all of those statistics. Well, there is. Using a software such as ZIKERS is the ultimate way to analyze those data points and increase your chances to sell. You can spy on any seller's top selling items and much more. So join Zeke today to increase your chances of making a profit on eBay, and the link for the 7-day trial is in the description. We have a few more tips to go. Tip 2. Selling overpriced products. From year to year, eBay has become more and more of a buyer platform. The selling prices have become a bigger ranking factor, and with that being said, listing products for much higher prices decreases the chance to sell. So even if you do find an amazing product with amazing demand and low competition, but you can't have a decent price, it's better to let it go and look for another product. It is important to mention that it is fine to have a higher price than your competitor, but the gap should not be too big. Okay, so the next tip is about copying other sellers' listings. Copying and pasting your competitors' listings is wrong. W-R-O-N-G, wrong. And will cause your listings to have a lower ranking. You have to put some effort in order to look unique. Tweak the title, change the main photo, re-edit the item specifics, and make sure to use a unique description template. If you follow these steps, you will increase your ranking on your listings. Before we move on to our next tip, please consider subscribing to our channel to always stay updated on the latest and, of course, the hottest topics. So let's now talk about how someone makes a profit and does not reinvest it into their business. This is the biggest mistake a lot of business owners make. Owning a business is not equivalent to getting a monthly salary. You have to be smart with the money that you make and put some aside for those rainy days. Businesses have periods of growth and periods of consolidation. So instead of looking on the day-to-day profit, you have to make sure your business account is full with a certain amount of cash flow so you can use it to grow your business or support your business on those rainy days. So let's talk about posting items. You can't just post one item per week and hope to get sales. Lots of sellers who are listing a very small amount of listings and complaining they aren't making any sales. List items weekly. Grow your listings in your store. The more listings you have, the more sales you'll generate. And of course, do not compromise on quality. Make sure the quality is there. Hopefully, these tips can help you and your business. Please comment below the mistakes you have made selling on eBay and what you learned from it. See you next time.